Hello everyone. I hope you are fine. Today I am gonna show you how to draw a Indian farmer character. I am gonna use Krita, which is a free drawing software, but you can use this technique in any other drawing softwares. First we have to get some reference pictures. So we will use Google to search for the pictures of farmers. After searching for some time I liked this picture. I will use it as a reference for my drawing. So I imported it in Krita. Now let's draw a rough sketch. I am using pencil tool. At this point of time don't worry about the lines, just let your hands flow. Let's do it fast forward. As you can see, our sketch is complete. We are ready to ink our drawing. Make a new layer, and lock the previous layer so we don't accidentally edit it. For inking I use gravity pen. Now, our final line art is done. It's time for color. Now I am gonna add some shadows. As you can see, shadows are done. Let's add some light. Now it's time for some soft shading, for which we are going to use multiply layer and airbrush. I am still learning this technique, so let me know in comment if I can do it better in any other way. At last our final image is complete. I hope you enjoyed and learned something from it. As you can see, I am new on YouTube. Please help me grow by subscribing to this channel. Also, I am a freelancer on Fiverr and Upwork. Let me know if you want to know about my freelancing journey. I will make a video on that. See you again.